It's me, Gwen. And today we are doing a video. And it is my slime. So here's our slime right here. Yeah, this is my slime.
No!
Hers is like kind of light blue, sky blue. Mine is kind of like a twilight. Let me get my slime out. Oh no! And then my slime is like a butter slime and her slime too. So let's just do a look at our slime. So this is my slime. You see here that this is my slime. Okay. So hope you enjoy our video. Please subscribe. What video? We just started the video. So we are just going to play with our very soft slime. Hers is soft too. We're going to start this now. So now you can look at mine. You can see that. And this is mine. So this is my best buddy, Gwen. That's me. And we're like not her sister. She just came to my house. And we're doing a YouTube vlog. Now look at that boy there. Look at that boy. Look at the boy. Okay. So we're gonna look at the boy, guys. Do this and we're gonna start. Okay. So hope you. So look at the boy, guys. You can see the boy, right? You can see the boy. You can see the boy. Okay, let's start now. Okay, so now ours is stretchy. Look, it's so stretchy, and then when you swirl it, let's give it a swirl.
What the heck?
And our slime is so soft. See how the swirl looks? Mine just farted like a fart. So we're going to start today. Now we both have bangs. We're like sisters, but actually not. Yeah, because we don't. If you're sisters, you should have the same skin. So, but you maybe have a different hair color, but different eye color, stuff like that. And you actually like speak in the same language. And then there's new things in the video. Now, the first thing to do is look at the boys. Yeah. Look at the boys. Like, look at them. Look at the boys. Okay, you just stop boring anymore. Okay, so now we're going to start this together. It's all about the bay, guys. So it's all about both of us, not just me. It's just all about one. So now what we're going to do is now we're going to start this, and now we're going to. So to make your slime really soft, you should put some lotion to be so soft. Like feel mine. Feel mine. Okay, until you feel mine, it's so soft, right? And we're gonna do more things.
Right.
So hope you like this. So now,
You see the sea?
like the bubble, like you have to do like the swirls. It's like so you have to get this and make it. Like, mine is not really soft now, so what you're going to do is you're gonna get tons of hair. Me too. I need this one. Don't look at me, guys. I'm not doing anything. I'm okay. Can I have some of what? Of lotion.
I put like the face of the Black Knight.
So this is. I just need a little bit, and there's that much. Okay. So we go with lotion now. So now we're going to put this in. So let's do this. Yeah, just have to do like a step until all of your lotion is gone out of your hand. Or if some falls down, you're going to get that, and then you're going to look at that. It's so pretty, right? And you're going to put this in and spread it. Or you're going to take it and spread it around here. It's going to be fun.